Good afternoon.
Ang bigat ng titulo mo bilang the world champion. Nag-umpisa ka sa, eto medyo seryosong tanong, hindi mo siguro na-expect na tatanong ko sa'yo. Nakuha mo to, ang titulo mo yun sa W Copa. And maraming kaibigan na nagtatanong kung are you still active with W Copa? And first question ko yun. Second question ko is, ano yung aabangan ng mga manunood sa'yo sa concert mo? O anong pinagkaiba ng concert na ito ngayong July 5 sa Music Museum sa mga natapos mo, sa mga nakaraan ng concert? Alright. Dalawang tanong lang po.
Okay. Yes, I earned that title na the world champion when I won the World Championships of Performing Arts in 2005. And ako, ang laki ng utang na loob ko sa W Copa for jump starting my career. Because 2005, I was already into business earlier than that, pero ang dami namin. Of course, nanalo ng time na yun, sina Eric, sina Christian, sina Mark, lahat, may mga title na silang lahat. And I was just there, one of the many singers. And, dito sa atin kasi, once you get into the industry, you have to have something na you can call your own. Diba? Like, for example, Eric was the Prince of Pop. And lahat may mga title, ako wala pa akong title noon. So when I won W Copa, they dubbed me as the world champion. And that started everything. It opened a lot of opportunities, a lot of doors and windows even, na, for people to notice Jed Madela. And sa question na if I'm still part of it, I'm not part of W Copa anymore. It's handled by another group now. But they continue to open doors and opportunities pa rin sa mga aspiring Filipino artists. And for that, I really still support all these dreams, whatever avenue or opportunity you take is offered to you. Tanggapin nyo lang. It depends on you, where, and when you get into that opportunity, diba? So, yeah. Pero yun nga, I'm already out of the group, yes, but I still support the aspiring Filipino artists. And yung isang question na what to expect, what makes it different, what this concert is all about. Normally, I do concerts every July. Kasi it's my birthday month, and it's something that parang something that I want to do to give back and to give thanks to the people who have been supportive of me for the past year. And what makes this different is every concert is an opportunity for me na magkwento kung ano mang nangyari for the past year. Yeah, so last year was Welcome to My World. I think that the concert opened a lot of stories about what I was going through the year before that. So kinuwento ko lahat ng Welcome to My World. It was a new chapter in my life. And doon ko kinuwento lahat to those who watched Welcome to My World, na intindihan nila lahat na kaya pala ito yung mga pinagdadaanan ni Jed. Ito pala yung kanyang mga struggles.
Ang dami mong pinagdaanan last year.
Ang dami, sobrang dami. But you know what, again, as I mentioned, get something negative or something bad or sad and turn it into something good. And that's when Welcome to My World came out. And now that I'm doing Superhero, iba na naman. Anong nangyari kay Jed from July of last year and July this year? So yun, ikukwento ko naman dito sa concert.